How do I enter employee stock purchase plan sales in TurboTax? Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. Employee stock purchase programs or ESPPs are specific company-run plans where participating employees can purchase company shares of stock through payroll deductions at a discounted price. Your employer will send you Form 3922 if you bought ESPP stock during the tax year. If you didn't sell any ESPP stock, there's no need to enter anything from your Form 3922. Just keep it for whenever you do decide to sell. If you sold ESPP shares, you'll be taxed on the profits and a portion of the income may be reflected in your W-2. You'll also receive a 1099-B that reports the sale. With your return open in TurboTax, search for 1099-B and select the Jump to link. Have your 1099-B Form 3922 for the shares you sold and the W-2 available for reference. When you enter your 1099-B, follow the screens to enter your sale info. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.